Today, we're going over developmental toughness through physical fitness. How to use these 3 simple strategies. Hey everybody, welcome to Perseverance Man. Make sure you watch until number 3 because it's one of the most amazing mindset changes you can take. Although different aspects of your being operate independently, they're still connected. At some point, they come together to create the best being possible. That explains why your physical and mental states are co-related. Balance in one area is easily transferred to another. Are you experiencing situations that put a strain on your mental process? Do you feel stressed out and unable to make decisions? Mental toughness can be difficult to acquire, but it's much easier if you focus on achieving physical fitness first. You can encourage mental toughness and realize extraordinary physical achievements by ensuring your body is strong, challenged, and fully tuned. Try these strategies to strengthen both your mental and physical fitness. Number 1, make your workouts uncomfortable. It's essential to challenge yourself. Instead of doing what you know you can, test your limits. Keep changing the game so you build determination. Once a week, try to increase your endurance by walking or running further. Add one more set or repetition to your routine and or add additional weights to your program. Time yourself in an exercise so you have a beginning time. Then try and beat your time. Be safe at all times, but be sure you know the difference between growing or enhancing discomfort to your body and mind strength and actually hurting pain. Don't overdo it. Develop an indomitable spirit by jogging outdoors during winter instead on the treadmill. It's easy and comfortable to use the treadmill. Running outside in cold climates tests your limits. It also allows you to feel confident in your abilities when you succeed. Fitness challenges have you transfer that confidence and determination to other parts of your life. Uncomfortable life situations can really take a toll, but you've already overcome fitness challenges. Now, you can use those victories to equip you with coping mechanisms for mentally challenging situations. By building resiliency for your mindset and your body, you can push yourself a little further than you thought. Before you know it, you'll step or climb closer to the sky, lift weights as if you were the Hulk, and run fast as the Roadrunner. At least you can think this in your invincible mindset. Number 2, participate in physical competitions. Competitions are great, but are usually intimidating, especially if you have a formidable opponent. As you participate in more competitions, your self-esteem develops at the same time. When you start competing, don't get overwhelmed by other opponents. Concentrate on your performance. Compete against yourself. For the next event, try to better your time, weight, or repetitions, and or endurance. As you are getting stronger physically and mentally, you will be more prepared for other competitors in the near future. Invite someone who is better at a challenge than you are to a contest. Having that person as an opponent helps you readily identify your shortcomings and strengthen your skills. You will learn what you need to work on to increase and improve your performance. As you compete, you come into terms with your abilities. And although you may be less impressive than your opponent, you can truly develop an appreciation for the level you've reached. Avoid allowing pride to push you beyond your limits in all your competitions. Pride is one of those sinful characteristics that push you too far. You probably want to prove that you're solid competition, but avoid doing so at the risk of hurting yourself physically. Competition teaches many life lessons, such how to be a good loser, a good winner, teamwork, and what you need to improve on to have a good life. Number 3, take part in speed training. You may have other strong suits that don't include being fast on your feet, but you'll be surprised how much speed training can help you both with cardio and mentally. Practice, sprints, and trying to shorten reaction time can help you work more efficiently. It can help you stay focused on your events in life while having confidence in your decisions. When you develop a quick reaction time, it's easier for you to make good decisions under pressure. Quick on your feet and quick in your mind go hand in hand. Speed training also helps you work quickly and accurately. It's great if you can speed through tasks, but it's even better if your accurate level is always high. Develop an effective combination through speed training. Take the time today to acknowledge the connection between your mind and body. They support each other on a day-to-day basis. Be sure your mind functions optimally by keeping your body in tune. Remember, your mind and body strength go together like your hands in a glove. Your professional life and personal life will both benefit. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos on how to change your mindset to get out of your past, step into the present, prepare for the future, and much more. Check out this next video to help you change your mindset, and I'll see you in the next video.